Hey guys, and welcome to Crypto Jams. Today we're gonna talk about Vemate. We're gonna browse through their website, official website, which is vemate.com. We're gonna talk about their roadmap, their white paper. I'm gonna show you their team, and of course check their Twitter account. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give us a like, subscribe to the channel Crypto Jams, and of course check the description below for all the links and information needed to start using or reading more about this project. Have a nice one. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is only for informational and educational purposes only. So guys, we are now on Vemate.com, the official site of Vemate, and I'll be explaining in a bit what is Vemate, how can we profit from it, how can we use it, what are the reasons or the solutions that it's finding. So Vemate has developed a pre-alpha product prior to any fundraising whatsoever, and you can download that app by just going to their official site. The link will be in the description below, and pressing this download button either on Google Play or on App Store. And they also obviously have Telegram, other social media accounts, so make sure you check that out too. The application has only one competitor, which is Ecomi Wild, who has an API from Vivi themselves. So the API, however, is a little bit slow. It is like 1 hour 10 minutes, 1 hour 15 minutes, something like that. Basic market trading decisions and all data is counterproductive, and that is why Vemate is offering a floor price update every single 15 minutes. So what their first idea was to have a floor price update every single 15 minutes, which makes Vemate already a direct competitor to the other company. So now we're gonna go down a little bit here, and as you can see here, they have a small section where they explain what is Vemate, how it works. They are like phases for phase 1 and phase 2. So if you want to learn more about that, make sure you check their official website and go to this small section, what is Vemate or how it works. So if we go down a little bit here, they explained 4 different challenges or current challenges, which are fragmented NFT markets, analysis capabilities, high market penetration threshold, and informational gaps. So if you want to learn more about these challenges, make sure you read them because they are very interesting and they give you a general idea about what are the next steps that are going to be solved by this project. If you go down a little bit here, we have the plan. So it is divided into 4: information, trading analysis, marketplace, and of course Vemate. And they have here a small learn more button so you can press it. The timeline, however, is very good because each project has a timeline or roadmap, and it's like really explaining everything that is going to happen with like time zones, with like months, like every single detail. And now we are on April 2022, and it is the launch of alpha version mobile app, private sale of Vemate token, and then they are going to update and give like new features, for example in May, in July, September, October. So it's like very consistent work that is going on, and it gives you how much like serious these people are about this project and how are they thinking big. Here they are explaining the team, and if you go down a little bit here, they are explaining the division of the Tokenomics for their like token. And here they have also the Vemate app, you can download it, a small FAQ section of course, and their partners. And here, as you can see here, they have Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, Telegram, Medium, which is a blog, and of course Discord. So make sure you join their Discord account. And now we're gonna go through their Twitter account, which is very important in this case because like following them on social media will allow you to know a lot about the new announcements that they are doing, the next step that are going on, if there are some giveaways, if there are some like merch selling, some stuff like that. So make sure you check their social media accounts because they are very important in this domain. So their official Twitter will be in the description below. It is Vemate or @Vemate_official. And as you can see here, they have a lot of posts. They are like doing a lot of, for example, this private sale hits 50% and it still goes on. So it gives you like the progress that the project is going, what are the new news, stuff like that. So make sure you follow them on social media accounts, especially their Twitter and their Discord account. So guys, we are now gonna talk about the Vemate subscriptions that they have here. So they have 2 different subscriptions or tiers. The first one is the basic tier. The floor price updates every 40 minutes and access to basic analysis tools, of course. That's like something very basic. And the second is the freemium tier, is also accessible for like free users who hold more than $100 in Vemate tokens in their MetaMask wallet. The floor price, however, updates every 15 minutes. So these are the 2 different subscriptions that you can have on Vemate, and they are obviously gonna probably get more subscriptions, get more like new tiers. So make sure you follow them on social media accounts, and of course course, keep yourself updated by visiting their official website, which the link will be in the description below. So there are 1.5 VV users, out of which 100 or 110,000 are fanatics users who are very active in the market. So 95% of VV users are flippers, so buying low and willing to sell high, and they are looking for every competitive advantage that you can get with floor price change alarms, with updates, quick updates. So these are the tools that you will need to do that profit and to be one of those successful people around the world. So make sure you check their official website and learn more about Vemate, and there you go. So guys, that's it for today's video. We talked about Vemate, we browsed through their website, I showed you their team, their Twitter account, I showed you their roadmap, and of course I talked about their tokenomics. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give us a like, subscribe to the channel Crypto Gems, and of course comment in the comment section below all the questions that I may have not covered, and I will be answering them as soon as possible. And of course check the description below for all the links and information you need to start using or reading more about Vemate. Have a nice one, bye bye.